This video is based on criteria 4, activate and deactivate. This was inspired by Larry Williams by an out-of-whack input, which you'll see later on in following videos. Larry came up with the out-of-whack. I essentially took the out-of-whack and just tweaked it a little bit to make it a little more selective. But it's essentially Larry's out of whack with a small tweak. What this essentially does is, based on our down, up, down pattern in the S&P, it's basically looking at the look back period that we saw before in criteria 2. It says, when only 2 of your last 10 trades on your trading system are winners, and a system, let's say, that's 60% accurate, it's clearly out of whack. So it's time to trade it. So once we get that criteria, let's say it's set to 2 out of the last 10, it'll start trading. And then it will get to the point where it's back in alignment with its historical mean, which may be 60%. Then the system, when it gets to 60% accurate in the last 10 trades, or the look back period you set for it, it will stop trading completely until it gets back to 2 out of the last 10 trades. Very selective, but it follows the same theory as criteria 2. And keep in mind, your look back period on criteria 2 sets the look back period on this input, criteria 4, which right now I have it set to 10. So let's see an example. Again, based on our formula, down, up, down. This is the choppy system we have, 5,794, 53% accurate. Okay, let's now see what happens when we be a little more selective and wait for the system to fail for a while and not work, and then let's start to get into it, and then let's get out once it reaches where it really should be on a historical basis. Go down. Here we go. Percent accurate. 20 means 2 out of the last 10 trades are accurate. It will start trading every trade until it's deactivated at 60%, or 6 of the last 10 trades. Now, if you go up, you'll notice on criteria 2 here, there's your look back period, 10. So it's the look back, even though this is set to false, this is still relevant in criteria 2 as it applies to activate and disactivate in criteria 4. Okay, so we're going to set that to true. And here we go. Let it calculate. Okay, and this, we've got, your setups. These are simulated trades in red. This, in fact, you see all simulated here. So this is showing how the computer's calculating, but no actual real trades yet. Why? Because it's got to be 20% of the last 10 trades. What this is showing, 50%, 40, 50, 50. So we clearly were not there. So you would have to go back a way. See, these are all simulated trades, but during this period, we drop down and we're seeing trades based on our inputs. So let's go here. 6,334 are the results. We made more money than 5,000 and change. 59% accuracy from 53%. Profits increased, accuracy increased. And there you go. And there is your equity curve. That's a great equity curve. That's a lot better than it was previously. So as you can see, these money management inputs can completely alter a typical trading strategy. Okay, on to the next video.